Once upon a time, if you wanted to find a good but now, Sainsbury's will top up the prices of the brand.